This truck is getting a full brake overhaul. Even though this doesn't look too old, we're getting a new master. Rotors, calipers, brake line, pads, and everything in the rear. I am going to keep the drums. The drums are okay. But we're going to get new shoes and wheel cylinders. And I already put in a new center line in the back. I'm still having a brake problem. So I already knew I had to replace the front. So I'm just doing everything. And parts on order, they're not here today, but today I'm going to I want to bypass the rear ABS. I don't know if this is part of the problem I'm having, but it's coming out. And I'm also going to flush all the old brake fluid out today. So first thing, I'm going to take this ABS thing out. Now I made the mistake of jacking up the chuck in the front end already, getting it ready to bleed. And so now I have to crawl all over this thing. Man, this truck is like weird. Half the truck's metrics, half of it's standard. What a pain. I just want to get these lines cracked loose. So when it comes time to take the rear ABS pump out. So I've already taken my mic, and so this right here is the line going to the brakes coming out of the ABS pump. So we need to put it over here, coming out of the... So we're going to take this out. This is the crossover to the pump, and that one's going to come in here. So I'm going to take this out, then I'll pull the pump out, and then we're going to try to bend the pipe. If I'm going to be able to use that, or if I'm just going to have to... Yeah, well, this is going to work. We'll try. Sure didn't do much. Let's see if we can get it in there. Went in. Okay, so this means the threads are different. Okay, so we got our bevel on the other side. So you take your bevel, you want your bevel the same height as your tube sticking up. So right there, the tube is flush with the bezel. We're going to put our bevel in. And loosen this all the way back. Tighten it up. Now we'll take the bevel out. This is going to be the double flare part. Yeah, beautiful. Alright, so there's our double flare. See, it's got a nice flare on it. So now we're just going to push that in the proportion. Oh, got it. Okay, rear ABS